Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close look at the Dell Slim Desktop, a space-saving pre-built tower engineered for home office productivity, everyday multitasking, and seamless media performance. If you want a reliable desktop experience from a major manufacturer without occupying half your desk space, this compact tower is built to fit right in. At the core of this system is the Intel Core Ultra 5225 processor. Built on Intel's latest Tile architecture with dedicated NPU hardware for AI-accelerated tasks, this processor handles multi-tab web browsing, document management, photo editing, and daily office workflows smoothly and efficiently. Paired with a 512GB solid-state drive, it delivers rapid boot times, fast file transfers, and quick application loading speeds straight out of the box. For graphics and visual output, integrated Intel graphics handle crisp 4K media playback and multi-monitor workplace setups. The front and rear panels feature a clean selection of connectivity options, including USB ports for quick peripheral access, display outputs, and built-in wireless networking alongside wired Ethernet. The physical enclosure is where the Slim Desktop really shines. Its compact, narrow footprint easily sits beside a monitor, tucks underneath a desk, or fits neatly into restricted office furniture layouts. Internal airflow is optimized to maintain low temperatures while operating quietly during routine workloads. Setup is quick and straightforward with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, letting you plug in your display and peripherals and start working within minutes. While the slim chassis is ideal for general office productivity, streaming, and student work, users looking to perform heavy 3D rendering or AAA gaming with high-power dedicated graphics cards will be limited by the compact enclosure and power supply constraints. However, for home workstations, family desktop setups, and daily productivity, the Dell Slim Desktop delivers reliable modern performance in a clean, space-saving design. If you found this overview helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on compact desktop PCs. Thanks for watching.